you guys. So I'm just about to try out this, if I can find it, okay, this foundation from Dermablend. It's called the Flawless Creator. Don't mind this red mark on my face. I scratched my face up a little bit, so hopefully it'll go away. But I just want to try this. They sent this to me, so I'm just gonna try it out. First, I need some primer, and I like to use the Ula, I think is how you pronounce his name, Ula Henriksen Banana Bright face primer. So just pop that on. I'm trying to avoid where I scratched myself. I don't want to put too many things on top of it, but I really wanted to try this today. So it's kind of annoying that I got a scratch. All right. I'm gonna use this foundation brush. I got it from Sephora some time ago. It has no name on it. It's probably been wiped off, but it's some kind of brush for foundation. Great, so it comes with a little dropper. So I guess we'll just drop it on and see how it, how it comes out. Huh? Okay, I'm coming. Seems like it has pretty decent coverage, actually. I am not mad at this. Hold on, baby. I'll be right there, okay? All right. Go sit with your brothers. Oh, my eyebrow. No. Okay. It's kind of hard because I'm actually looking at the camera to do this and not a real mirror. So I just took out my brows. Casualties of YouTube, I guess. But we're gonna fix it. It'll be all right. All right, I'm gonna look at this in the light. Let me see. Wow, this is really good. I'm shook. This is really good. I forgot to mention the shade. It's in the shade 40N, so 40 neutral. And it seems to be my perfect match, honestly. Which I'm so happy because I color picked it myself and they sent it to me. And usually I am terrible at color matching. But I did it. And I'm proud. All right. Now I'm going to just add my concealer and the rest of my stuff and I'll be back. All right, so here is the finished look. I came out to the natural light so you can see what it looks like, and oh my gosh. I love it. I love it so much. This might be, shoot, I know I love the Wander Beauty one a lot, but damn. I look so good with this foundation. I love it. Highly recommend. Okay. Well, I hope you guys like this little mini tutorial thing going. I think I'm gonna do a regular full tutorial with this foundation, but I wanted to do like kind of a first impressions type of thing. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.